Are you guys having fun?
Mama, my fake friends, I Give me that chair, please. We're just getting started, by the way. We have like an entire album, Uganda's Rihanna. Mamureba? Ashapa Nugambashi. Do you know what? We know she's a nigga to do she's a shot.
Miss Single.
Do you know she's a?
Singing on she's.
Do you agree that our piece is single? Alimbachi, we know the man, Takurachi. Wherever you're looking nice, you're looking awesome.
Thank you.
What do you use for your waist? Me, I'm concerned about the waist. I was passing by and someone was like, Avanga inaka wato. Is that Is that a diet? Is that a... What's the secret behind your body?
I think it's just a disease for the family. Like everyone just down there. Yeah.
Well, everyone there is your family.
Yeah.
What do you got, what? All right. Let me have two questions for our piece and then we'll go back to the music. This is the reason why we have this show like this. It's called Shades of Kampala. Social media. Sheila, you have a question? Are you ready for the questions? Okay. Sheila, before he's asking questions, go right here. Yeah.
Hi, how you doing? How come you know my name if I'm not popular? I'm even making you shy. You can't talk to me. Come on, it's okay. You can speak.
But that's Vibes. That's Vibes is the boyfriend. That's Vibes, I know Muchala. Oh, no, number B. Alright, do you want to respond as I get Shakira? Do you want to respond to...
I don't know what it means though.
Okweli amuchitegezachi. Okweli amusichibi. Bana imalaika zaze. Okweli amuchitunyonyole chitegezachi kwagamba sichibi. Yeah? What does eating yourself in mean? Okay, so you, William, yeah? Okay. Bulimwana William. Yeah. Oh, okay. So William Musima. All right, pass over the microphone to Shakira. But Abba didn't answer the question.
She answered it right. By the way, every time you go higher, every time you get more money. I am one of the most booked female artists in Uganda, mind you. It's a even right now, sinaba kwebaka. Okitegera. Mbeera ku luguudo. Okitegera. Mbeera kukola every day, Monday to Monday. So seewuunya muntu kungamba because for them tebakola. Nze mbeera ku stage all the time. I'm posting my shows every day. Okitegera. So nfuna ssente zange. Okitegera. Sigenda kwogera ssente ze performance naye nnyingi nnyo. Okitegera. Yes, so nfuna ssente zange ndi mukyala mugagga ninamu kasente kange. Ate keekoledde. Okitegera. So if someone comes out n'ayogera ekintu bwekityo sisobola munenya because maybe ye abaalabeddeko babadde nga bakola ekyo. But me, I work for my money. Okitegedde.
Hi, how are you?
How you doing?
I'm good. Yeah, I just want to clear the air. You know, artists come on board and they're always criticized. They're young artists, yeah, they've been there, here and there. Most artists have not traveled like you are. You made a dream come true about London, and I'm mostly moving to London. So I just want to tell you this. You have a collab with Vinny Raji and Baby Girl. Let no beach put you around. They are fixed. You got this, and big up to your manager.
Just show a big up to him.
Yes. He's doing such a great job. And we want to see more music, more fun, more sex features, nigga who stands on stage with confidence. Baby girl, I have no question for you, but all I want to say to you, keep it up, we got you covered.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Njagala n'ebibuzo by'Oluganda ayogere mu Luzungu. Keep it up, yeah? Keep it up, you went to London. That's awesome, so keep it up. We don't want to see no... Okay, Masaka, I will take 2 more questions, okay?
Hi, I'm Chris.
Hi. Thank you. Thank you, Nani.
You planning to work with any Nigerian artists? She has a very beautiful song with Red Sun, by the way, yeah? You guys know the song? Makubachi!
Kino kiramba.
Makubachi Chiramba. So you planning to work with any West African artists?
Of course, very soon. But at least I already have a collaboration with Red Sun. Yeah, and it's really doing so well, so inshallah, very soon.
Okay. Another question. Pande, we need to move. You have a question, but you're so far. You're very far. I can't hear you. You can come closer. You can come closer. Okay. I'm taking you and then this gentleman over here. Yeah, you come closer. You come closer to them and over.
Walivira Maria. Hey, Masaka.
Abo, Mama Saka.
Hey, Mama Saka.
Ewa.
Ni mwana w'enguduuza.
Abekamara muri kumubona, eh? Okay, yeah. Question. Last one. Oh yeah, come closer. Come closer. Come closer. Yeah.
Ava,
Yeah.
kiri kitya?
Tell
Wano oli mukyala muliro, tumanyi okuyamba buyambi obeera mu Uganda. My question is, kawulira nti no Vairota agakuba bituufu oba? Vairota yagakubako wakati simanyi wakati biri relationship eri mu mbeera ki?
Kyekyo.
Eh?
Kyeki?
Ate Ava nawe teweefuula nti tobimanyi.
Sirina kyemmanyi.
Ava.
Let's move on to another person.
Kale. Okay, Ava. Let me break the story short. Relationship yammwe ne Vairota eri mu mbeera ki?
Vairota mukwano gwange. Ni Uganda ate mukwano gwange.
Naye mutusibako abantu. Omuyaya agambye wano mu Vairota talina majja naye banaye. Ainani? Alright, let me have the last question. Michiana Brava have a piece here. Mwagala talking, and we're getting back to the music. Michiana, make some noise! Ava never know. So Ava, are you planning to do something mega like a concert? Are you planning anything?
If there is any promoter that is ready, I am ready.
If there's a promoter that is ready, Dr. Emerson. Tomorrow. Quickly, go. Which venue would you like to perform at? Promoter number one, Waliao.
Of course, promoter, yeah, but so the management here, the best.
But you're open for a concert?
Yeah, I'm open for it.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. I think that's it for now. I have DJ Tracy ready to mash it up. And every team have a piece of light. Avatars, make some noise! Oh yeah, let's get back to the music. This is VP Band. Yeah? Yeah, get that kuimba unarabunji. Wanaonekana nabo bakubire wanatobalirana. Tumwimbire mwe? We banyumba wasukulu mabangalo. Talk to me now, Waji? Yeah. Anya kamani? Come on. Let me see how my business man sing. Waji? Singing, I'm more excited. Put it, I'm listening. Bad guy. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, have a piece one more time. VP. Let's get it.
Your book was massaging me, for your man will love lighting me. Omwana Akubye Ava, I can't escape your love. Can't keep asking me, what go say go back to me. This isn't your song, I will go. Together! What I come that when it come you from whom you love to. What you gonna do, cause I got my food. Touch your chance and do what's up, food. They come you from whom you love to. Don't worry anything, baby. I wanna try this with a guitar, yeah? With a guitar. Together. You know Uganda. Really? But you show off. You show off. Do you know Uganda? Yes or no? What's that? They are there. Can we do this together? Okay. I feel your vocals massaging me. For your hair will like to light in me. I'm gonna walk up and tell you. Wait, let me try it with this guitar, yeah? Together, no, so can't touch them more. Together, together. I feel your vocals massaging me. Boy, your man will never let me. I'm gonna walk on my journey, I mean, I'm stay with love. Canada can't go asking me. Because you got my bites on me. This isn't your song, I before that just know. you gonna do? With a piano, yeah? With a piano? Oh no. But never really. Just looking at a piano. You ready? Banangenenga chemwera bilanga bili mu mwenda August commercial grounds taxi vibes fena tumereyo ashtegera